Let's start with question homework exercise number 31. Write an equation for the line shown on the right. Okay, again, this one we know y equals mx plus b, where m equals the slope and b is the y-intercept. All right, now notice here the y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis, which is at right here, the positive 2. So the y-intercept is at 2 because of positive 2. Now the slope is the rise over the run, correct? So we go from one point to another. So from this point to this point, we would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units and over 1, 2, 3. So the vertical change is 5. The horizontal change is 3. So that would be our slope. Again, it's vertical over horizontal, and we're going up from left to right, so we know it's positive. So now what? We go back here using this. Y is the slope, which we got is 5/3, okay, times x plus the y-intercept, which is 2. So there's the equation of our line. Y equals 5/3 x plus 2. All right, so we got y equals, so 5/3 x plus 2. Homework exercise number 32. The graph shows a percentage of sales of two models of new cars. Use this information to solve the problem. Note model 1 is on the top and model 2 is the bottom. Find the slope of the line selecting of the line segment representing model 1 is on the top. So model 1, 2 points are 2001, 25%, and 2007, and 26%. So here's x1, y1, x2, y2. So the slope is what? y2, 26, minus y1, 25, divided by x2, 2007, minus x1, 2001. 26 minus 25 is 1. 2007 minus 2001 is 6. And it says a decimal rounded to the nearest tenth. So we'll have to go ahead and use our calculator, do 1 divided by 6, and round it to the nearest tenth, which is 1 decimal. So 1 divided by 6 is 0.167. 0.167 rounded to 1 decimal. There's a 6 following the 10, so we'd round to 0.1 up to 0.2. So it'd be 0.2 to the nearest tenth. What does this model represent in terms of the rate of change between the percentage of total sales of model 1 for the period shown? So the percentage of total sales, it's what? It's positive, which means it's increasing by what? 0.2%, right? Per year between these years, right? The rate of change, so 0.2. I'm sorry. By 0.2% between 2001 and 2000. The percentage of total sales increased by 1% for the entire time between 2001 and 2007. Okay, what they're asking is the rate of change is per year, but in terms of between all the way from 2001 to 2007, it increased from 25 to 26%, so it'd actually be 1%. Okay, kind of a little bit confusing on that problem, all right? All right, let's go to number 33. In 1996, 49% of the students at a local college regularly used the library for their internet services. Their percentage has decreased at an average rate of 2.3% per year since then. Find a linear function in the slope-intercept form that models a percentage of students px who regularly use the library for internet service x years after 1996. So P of x, again, we're going to do the P of x is going to be the slope times x plus b. Now, b is the y-intercept, which is our starting point. So x equals 0 that's our b-intercept, which is what? The number of years after 1996. So it's 1996. So for 1996, 49% of the local students use the library. So the b is going to be 49%, or just 49 as a number. Now what? The average rate is decreasing by 2.3. Average rate means slope. So the slope decreasing means it's going down, negative 2.3. There's the m, and then the b is when x is 0, which is at the year 1996, so it's 49. So finally, P of x is the slope, which is a negative 2.3 times x plus what percent in 1996, which would be 49. So there is our equation for the use of the library, okay? Let's go ahead and put that in. So again, it's the slope decreasing negative 2.3 times x plus, at the beginning when x is 0, it's the year 1996, which it was at 49%. All right, very good. This concludes this session and all the problems from section 7.2. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswers@hodges.edu, tswiersz, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.